Friday, so you know what that means, na?
Assignment selection time? Bro, I don't even have any idea what we did in the class past week. I just attended for the attendance.
हे भगवान तेरा क्या होगा कालिया? Wait one sec, I'm sending you the topic choices. Just अकड़ बकड़ बम्बो it. ठीक है, चलेगा फिर.
We have to ask the other dudes in the group too, though.
अरे हाँ हाँ वो कर लेंगे. पहले you decide ना, फिर I'll pitch in with ideas. ठीक है, हो जाएगा.
अच्छा sent.
हाँ, I've sent you already. Check ना.
हाँ, I just got it.
So which one?
Bro, all this we made a communication model. Who's this McDonald person though?
It's the Wesley and McLean model. Seriously यार, exams are coming up. क्या कर रही हो? Concentrate.
Yeah, why so serious?
So we're going with that one. Huh?
Yeah. Let me daydream about fall now.
Hey guys, so I was thinking that for this week's assignment we can do it on the Wesley and McLean model of communication theory. You know now what sir said in class last day. So I'll just explain the model in brief according to what Google said. So just read through it and let me know what you think, okay? Wesley and McLean realized that communication does not begin when one person starts to communicate, but rather when a person responds selectively to his or her physical surroundings. This model considers a strong relation between responses from surroundings and the process of communication. In this model, we talk about communication as a two-way process, and this states that communication begins only when a person receives message from its surroundings. Each receiver then responds to the message they have received based on their own object of orientation. Cool?
हाँ, hi.
হ্যালো ভাই, আমাকে বোঝা এগুলো কি ভাই। মডেলের ব্যাপারে কিচ্ছু বুঝিনি ভাই, বাট মাথার ওপর দিয়ে গেছে আমার। তুই বোঝা, আমি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট ডাউনলোড করতে পারবো না ভাই। বোঝা আমাকে এগুলো ব্যাস।
क्या भाई, तुम लोग क्लास में रहते भी हो क्या? तुम पहले कीर्ति, फिर तुम भी. हे भगवान.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं। सब डेटा पढ़ाकू थोड़ी होते हैं।
बाबा ठीक है, मैं समझा दूंगी, बस मेक श्योर कि बाकी 3 लोगों को पता है. आई कांट एक्सप्लेन द सेम थिंग 10 बार. हाँ,
আরে ভাই সব হয়ে যাবে, তুই এখন আমাকে বল কি ব্যাপারে এটা হচ্ছে।
चल आई सेंड यू अ पिक्चर इन द ग्रुप, जस्ट चेक कर ले वो. लाइक कीप इट ओपन, देन इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ,
এই মাঝে সি করতে এলো, এতগুলো এক্স কেন? কিউটি, তোর লাইফে রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন নাকি এটা? হ্যাঁ,
Hey, चुप, concentrate कर।
so like I was saying,
X1, X2, X3, and X4 are news articles or information. F is the feedback, A is the clients, the reader or audience is denoted by B, and C is the gatekeeper.
Kirti, you understood now? let's take an example to make this clearer. So suppose
Is that the Telegraph receives many press releases from many public relations agencies on behalf of their clients. But obviously they can't publish everything now. So the newspaper will select specific articles that they find relevant. Then readers can directly respond to the client, or they can respond to the news agency which published in the newspaper. If the readers responded to the Telegraph, it will communicate the feedback to the concerned PR agency. So basically, with reference to the image I sent you, in this case, X1, X2 and X3 are the press releases. F is still the feedback. The clients are A, the readers, that is the people who are reading the Telegraph, are B, and the Telegraph itself is the gatekeeper, which is denoted by C. So the feedback loop between reader B and newspaper C would be FBC. The feedback loop between newspaper C and client A would be FCA, and the feedback loop between the readers B and the client A would be FBA. समझ में आया कुछ?
अरे भाई পুরো ক্রিস্টাল ক্লিয়ার। তুই এবার থেকে পড়া আমাদের ভাই ক্লাস নে। ভাই দারুণ ভাই, তুই দারুণ বোঝাস।
Thanks a lot यार।
फिर चल बाद में बात करते हैं, ठीक है? हाँ।
We'd like to take up this opportunity to talk about a burning problem, and that is climate change. Global climate change has already had observable effects on the environment, from shifting weather patterns that threaten food production to rising sea level that increase the risk of catastrophic flooding. The impact of climate change are global in scope and unprecedented in scale. Effects that scientists had predicted in the past are now our present. Loss of sea ice, accelerated sea level rise, more intense heat waves, etc. Research shows that global temperature will continue to rise for decades to come, largely due to greenhouse gases produced by human activities. Consequences which we will be facing in near future includes continually rising temperature, more droughts and heat waves, stronger and more intense hurricanes, a rise of 1 to 8 feet of seawater levels by 2100, molten sea caps, and many more such events which might sound far away but are in fact rapidly approaching.
So let's talk about what can we do for a better future. Invest in renewables and divest from fossil fuels. Install solar panels or a wind turbine. Consume less, waste less, enjoy life more. Focus on life's simple pleasures, making a difference for others. Eat for a climate-stable planet. Eat more meat-free meals. Don't waste food. And adopt a plant-based diet. Reduce and recycle waste. Make your homes energy efficient. And last but not the least, use public transport or just walk or cycle around the way. Because you see, small things make a lot of difference in near future. Thank you.